A. B. C. Say it. Say C. D. E. A. You're missing your letters together. Say A. B. 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 Say it. Say B. C. D. D. E. 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 F. G. H. I. You don't like that letter I, do you? Say I. J. J. No. J. K. L. No. L. Spit at me. Say L. 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 M. 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 No spitting. Come on, you're almost done. Be smart, girls. Show the whole world how smart you are. M. N. O. 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 P. P. Q. Q. U. 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 Say U. R. S. S. Say S. T. Say TT. T. B. V. GG. Look at the way Mommy's mouth is. V. Hey, say V. Gee, you have 3 letters left. Say V. W. X. Julia. Say X. Y. Z. Yeah, Midge. Midget. Look at Mommy and say Z. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Say, now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So big. You're in my snack cabinet. Okay, I know that you can't understand some of the stuff that she was saying, but she just said her ABCs, even though she fought with me for some letters.